Hello everyone. Let's take a look at the trades I made today. So this is S&P 500. So if you see here, we came to the session out of this area right here in the Renko, in the point and figure chart. So let's expand this one a little bit to see what it did. So we were in this area. Market actually opened at 9:30. So that is where these levels are painted. Let me take this out of the way for a little bit. So you see that we came here pretty choppy within the range of several days before. So we have 11.7, 11.8, and then we do have 11.9 right here. So we were kind of in the range. And then when the market opened, it came down and painted this trend. A negative trend circle right here, and then the bias was started to look bearish. Okay, but it was actually in a range. So all of this congestion area was moving up and back and forth, up and down, up and down. So that is point and figure right here. So let's reset that one. In the anchor chart, we see similar situation. We do have here 11.9. So this is the start of the day. Let's paint it right here. Right there, 11.9. So we did have this, congestion area or range consolidation. So then when the market opened, it made a higher high within the range, and then came back down in this with this pivot from this pivot all the way to this pivot. So these are significant, a significant movement. So went right to S2. So that is where I took the trade, the trade on ES. So let's go back here. So I was looking at this level 48.80, which is I believe that let me see here if I'm correct. So I'm gonna try again. Right there. So this is 46.68. So this is where I took the first trade. I was looking at this pivot here on the overnight, and then it bounced. So let's see where it is. Let's move that. Let's put here. Right there. So when it broke that area here, I took the trade, and you see it's within this large trend line, right? So that was good for $100. And then what I do normally is when I take the entry, then I moved, if my first target is hit, then I move my stop to break even. And that is what happened here. So I took the trade right in here, in that area. Let me enlarge it a little bit also. So yeah, let me see. Right there. And let's look at this area right here. Okay, so in here I took the trade, hit the $100, came back and stopped me out. Then I should have taken this break again. This one is a very valid entry. It didn't paint a white bar. This one paints only when you have three positive before, followed by three negatives, or the other way, right? So we do have two here. So two green breaks, and um, then kept moving. So I should have taken this one, put another entry right in this S1 level right there. I did not, and moved all the way there. So I didn't take advantage of this entry. So lesson learned. So you have to, you know, one thing is to look at this small retracement. If it's in the trend here and the trend here, it's very valid to take it. Then it went back up and painted this white bar here, and this is where I took the entry. So you see that one there. That one actually should be right there. So I took that one for one target, and then the other one was stopped me out right here. So two contracts for 238 total. So 138 the first one, or the second one, and 100 the first one. Okay. And those were my trades for ES. Then ES started to move, very randomly in this area. So I was not willing to take any trades right here. It was in the range, moving up and down, up and down. So nothing for me here. Probably you have one target in this area by noon, but you see very, very choppy. So I was out of here. Gold, I didn't take any trades today. This is what happened with gold. Didn't move any direction. So I was, watching only. I didn't see direction for taking trades myself. Probably if you see here, you see that there's lots of range, and then came back down, move up. So there were a couple of opportunities here to take trades, but I didn't take anything in gold today. Yeah, if you see here, this one is a valid entry right there. It's in the range, so I mean it is risky when you see something that it's not moving up and down with direction. Is more riskier to take, like this one, for example. See, there's a lot of consolidation in this area. Okay, and crude had a better move, especially in the afternoon. I was not looking at the market at that time, but if you see, there was a nice move to the upside. So let's see what trades I took in here. Okay, so I was looking at this range in between 82 and 81, 84. So let's put here where I took the trades. So market, it was trending to the upside in the point and figure. In here, let's see. In here was in between R1 and R2, trying to move higher. So that is where I took the trade. So it was actually trying to break in this area right there. Trying to break. I did not take that break. and then came back and painted this one here. So I took a trade there. Again, I moved my stop to break even, and when it came back, it stopped me out right there. Okay. And then the last trade was this one here. Tried to break up again in that area. I took the trade, and then the two contracts were sold right here, and I got a loss for 120. So, it was, the three markets were very rangy until this area here, where crude really took off, right there. Really took off right here. So there was a good entry right there when in the break of this channel. So let's see if we can put that one there. When it broke there, that one is a good entry. Then another entry right there, a week out of the 18. Another entry there. But this one was about lunchtime, and then it started to move sideways and kept moving up. So it was drifting higher, but that was the important break right in this area there. I did not take advantage of that one, but I took advantage of this one here. This entry right here, and I took a loss right here. See, normally it's not a good idea to take trades within the range, and this one was kind of like a bet, so wasn't probably a good signal to go in. This one was way better, but you never know. Okay, well, that's the trades for today. I made 290, so I'm at 150,685. Thank you for watching.